So check this out. This video is strictly for Class A CDL drivers. Now, I'm not disincluding Class B drivers because at rest areas where I'm filming this at, Class B drivers also park here too because they have overnight stuff. They just have to sleep in the front of those Class B trucks, which is uncomfortable. I've done it before. But this video is being done because I want you guys to see the safety of Class A drivers when you park in rest areas or either in truck stops. So I brought my drone with me. I want to take and walk around the rest area where the restrooms are. And note this, animals can roam freely at rest areas. So I would suggest keeping a stun gun or something. I would suggest keeping a stun gun with you just in case, you know what I'm saying, you have to walk to the restroom or just being in a rest area and there is no security. So I want to give y'all a glimpse of this. I brought my drone with, and I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse not only from where the vehicles come in at, for as the four-wheelers, which are cars, and I'm gonna give you a sky view with my drone here for where the trucks come in and park. And y'all just check it out and tell me what y'all think. Because right now, me and a couple of colleagues of mine, we have the attention of DOT when it comes to safety with drivers. And I think all drivers should have some type of weapon. Preferably me. I would suggest that some type of law be passed for drivers to carry weapons. You know what I'm saying? Man, whatever training you have to go through, or you know, whatever you have to do to be able to protect yourself. Because it's just fair game out here, you know what I mean? It's very dangerous out here over the road. And I mean, a lot of people don't get a chance to see what I'm gonna show from my drone view. But check it out. First I'm gonna walk around the rest area and let y'all get a good glimpse of that. And the lighting be pretty good, but once again, anybody can drift in and out these truck stops. And then I'm gonna take my drone, which I have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and it has 3 lenses on it, so I can give y'all a real good view of it. But in the comments, man, just tell me what y'all think. We'll take a walk. Brought me a little mosquito spray just to put on me so I don't get hit by no mosquitoes, you know what I mean? I can't stand the mosquitoes, and if I leave here, I'm headed home. So for the person that want to know, my shower when we taking it home. But check it out. I'm gonna walk around first. I'm gonna go ahead and take my drone with me, and y'all check it out. I'm probably about maybe 25 spaces up from the entrance when you come in. So check this out. And that is where you come in at. You know, see how dark it is over there. So let me put my Osmo in night mode. All right, I'm back. We're in night mode now. I'm also gonna fly the drone in night mode. But as y'all can see, they keep it well pedicured. And if you can take a look, that is where vehicles come in at. We're gonna walk around. Well pedicured, well manicured, well lit. But trust that, crazies can be coming in and out of here. So when you're out here over the road, you got a couple of spaces where if you want to, you know, get out, do a little grilling, because I used to do it all over the road. A lot of drivers don't see a lot of the benefits of being on the road. I did it all, man, when I was out there on the road. Right now I do local, not going back out there OTR. But let's get out, man, go to certain states, do my 34-hour reset, rent me a car, get me a room. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I was on the road, I did my 34 hours at some of these rest areas. I take me add a little grill, I take my meat, grill, set it off, you know what I mean? Well, let's keep walking. And the rest area I'm in is in Georgia. We're just gonna walk around. Then from that point, as you can see, you got trucks starting to come in. My goodness. Look at this. Look at this, birds. Look at that. A bird nest. Look right there, it's a bird nest. Bluebirds. Wow. That's a sight to see. Oh man, this bird nest all up through this place. Man, look at this. There's little birds up there. They done built nests up in there. My goodness, look at this guy. No, he ready to bite some. That's like a brown recluser. Look at these little bird nests, man. I never noticed that. This is, of course, state of Georgia. It says it was built 1776. These little bird nests is everywhere. Look at these little bird nests. They everywhere. Look at that. My goodness. I would have never noticed that if I hadn't looked up. And as y'all can see, they got that type of stuff caged up. But on this side, this should be inside. We got a little map here, safety rest area. These birds are every damn one. Damn. Invasion of the birds. So this, shit. I want to walk into a little spider web, rest area number 53. Oh, sir. I want you guys to get a good glimpse. This place is huge. I hadn't even went over on that side. Damn spider on me. You don't tell her how many spiders down there. Me and spiders don't get along. Matter of fact, I got a spider web on my arm, and I'm finna go do the yeet yeet. Make sure ain't hell on me. Tap dance out here. Set my drone up right quick, and be right back. All right, I put my gimbal in tracking mode so I can set up my drone. So, yep, this ought to be interesting. This Osmo Pocket 3 is a beast. DJI makes some nice stuff, man. I actually put a set of Master Astral propellers on my Mavic 3. It flies a lot smoother. Just ignited the controller. Now I'm igniting the drone. Take a couple of seconds for me to connect, get a couple of satellites out here. And I walk right into a spider web. It has been said that spider webs are good luck, only if a spider don't get on you. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and record this screen as well. So right now it says I have 20 satellites. All right, I'm gonna do a quick calibration on my drone. I like to calibrate the area I'm in, just to connect with the satellites. Even though it's automatic, I still like to. All right, there we go. Now I got this in night mode, and with night mode, there is no obstacle avoidance, so I most definitely take it up at least 80 meters. I'm gonna take it to where the trucks first come in. All right, let's fly. Right now I am $8 meters in the air. You know, I hope it ain't no hawks out here. As you can see, that's a truck coming in. Let's go up a little higher. I am now $50 meters in the air. And as you can see over in that area, that is where the vehicles come in at. So let's move over to that area. We're just gonna survey the whole rest area. And as you can see where that split is right there, and you see another truck coming in. Right here in this area. That's the highway to the right. This first lane is where the trucks come in at, as you can see. Look, we got one coming in right now. He'll be making his way up here near me. You can't even see that guy. That's why I just walked that right here. Came down from this area where the truck is moving out. That's where I'm standing at. It's not that many trucks out here tonight. This road leads back out to the highway. I'm not gonna take it out there on the expressway. I don't want to get nobody distracted. Just bring it back. Bring it down a little. Spotlight myself. So take a look at the truck area. Tell me what y'all think. I think it needs to be secured on deck. I'm gonna bring it down and put it in front of some of the trucks.
It's a punched in view.